In this video, it's going to be free Maxbounty training 2019 with Alex. In this video is going to be free Maxbounty training 2019 with Alex, how to make $100 a day with free or paid traffic methods inside this video. So it's going to be a free Maxbounty training 2019 and how to set up a campaign and how to make money on Maxbounty. With this campaign, I'm about to show you guys inside of this video. So we're going to be doing the couponing and savings and samples niche inside of Maxbounty. So all you simply have to do is go to maxbounty.com, type in samples and savings, and look at the couponing niche. Right? The couponing niche is very, very big. There are thousands and millions of people every single day that look for coupons to save money on the internet, and this is what we're going to be taking advantage of. So go to maxbounty.com and go to the search bar and type in samples or surveys or coupons itself. Now this niche usually pays anywhere from $1 to $3 per lead generation. So like I said before, it's inside the couponing niche, and you can earn anywhere from $1 to $3 per lead generation for when someone fills out their name and email. And one of the traffic sources that you guys could use is, one, you could start a Facebook group based around couponing. So all you simply have to do is go to Facebook group and start a Facebook group based around couponing, and then go to other couponing groups and add people to your own couponing group. And all you simply have to do is, after you create the group, is add people to the group and post content inside the group. Now, if you don't know where to find content for the group itself, all you simply have to do is go to other Facebook groups and see what they're posting inside there. Then just take some of their content and add it, and then add it to your own Facebook group and add your own little twist to it. It's very, very simple and easy to do. Just start a Facebook group, start to add people to the group every single day. Find videos on YouTube, add the videos to the Facebook group, add some content, then throw the Maxbounty link inside the description of the Facebook group, or make a pinned post. Make a pinned post with the Maxbounty link in there, so every time you add someone new to the group, they read the pinned post, they click on the Maxbounty link, and it makes you money. So you can do Facebook groups, or you can also start Facebook fan pages. You can build up a Facebook fan pages based around couponing, start to drive traffic to the group using Facebook ads, get people to click on the Maxbounty link and fill out the couponing offer. The second traffic source that you can use for Maxbounty free traffic is with YouTube videos, right? So you can start a YouTube channel based around couponing. Now, if you don't want to create the videos yourself, you can go to youtube.com, type in like couponing, or the search bar couponing, then find videos in the Creative Commons section. So go to the search bar on YouTube, type in couponing, and find videos in the Creative Commons section. Then download that video to your computer, re-upload them to your YouTube channel. Of course, add the right thumbnails, the right tags, the right description, and put your Maxbounty link inside the description. So when people watch these videos on YouTube based around couponing, they click the link in your description, and it makes you money every single day simply by creating YouTube videos based around couponing. The third traffic source that you can use is Craigslist in the community section of Craigslist. So go to Craigslist.com and you can post ads on Craigslist inside the community section 100% for free. So you can go to Craigslist.com and post inside like the general, the care, and the groups, and just give away the coupons, or tell people to click on the link to get free discounts for the couponing method. And I've used the couponing method on Craigslist, like the baby diaper campaign and the couponing campaign, to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with these methods, and it's very, very simple. So how to tie this all together to make money with Maxbounty 2019 with free training? All you simply have to do is go to Maxbounty and find the offer and set up the offer. So go to Maxbounty, look for couponing niche or savings and samples. Get your CPA link, then build a simple landing page. A landing page with a button on there, so when they are inside your Facebook group or watching YouTube videos or on Craigslist, they can click on the button. They go to the landing page where it gives them a little bit more information. They click on the button inside the landing page that goes to the offer. Now, why do people want coupons? People want coupons because they want to save money, they want to get money back, and they want to help their family. So when you create your Facebook group, tailor the group based around these three things. When you're doing your YouTube videos, make sure the videos are based around these three things. When you're posting ads on Craigslist, make sure the video is based around the three things, right? And then another thing you can do is find related groups and post what they post. So go inside Facebook groups and other couponing groups and see what they post and use some of their content content inside your Facebook group. All you simply have to do is take action every single day, and if you build it, they will come. So if you build a Facebook group, people will join your group to get more information and click on your link. If you build a YouTube channel and post videos maybe 3 or 4 times a week based around couponing, people will subscribe, they'll watch your videos, they click on the link, and they fill out the CPA offer. If you post ads on Craigslist, people will read the ad, click on the link in the ad, or email you to go to the CPA offer. If you build it, they will come, right? This is how you make free money on Maxbounty 2017 with Alex. And all you simply have to do is, if you guys want more free training on Maxbounty or learn even more methods to make money with CPA marketing, email me, shoot me a text, or click the link in the description. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.